Hi everyone. So just by looking at the face of this very special vegetable local soup, how would you rate it if you are to rate from 1 to 10? Now stay tuned as I take you through the process of making it. So here we have our black local slim fish, our smoked fish, our seasoning and salt to taste, our beef, our uziza leaf. We have our stockfish, our local thickener by the side. It's called achi in Igbo. And then we have our fresh pepper and crayfish, our periwinkle, our cow skin, pomo, our water leaves, and our ukazi leaf. We also have our red oil, which is not on the table here. You may want to thoroughly wash your black fish with hot water to remove the dirt.
To the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Now I like to put in the head because to me the head of this fish is where all the flavor lies. Okay, I forgot that for you to make the cow skin edible enough to eat or soft enough to eat, while cooking, please do not add any kind of salt to it, because the once you add that salt to it, it stops the saltening process. So do not add any kind of salt to it. Now, after 10 minutes of steaming the stocks, you add in your black fish. That way, you give it room to marinate its own flavor into the stock. And do not forget to set your gas cooker to low heat to slowly marinate together and to give it a unique flavor. Now that the meat stock was done, it was time for the main soup process. In your empty pot, put in your fresh red oil and immediately add in your blended crayfish and fresh pepper. Stir and leave for 30 seconds. Add in your seasoning and your stock water. Add in your smoked fish and also cover the pot and allow to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. I forgot to add that immediately after 30 seconds of putting your crayfish and pepper, you add in your thickener, which is the achi, as you normally call it in Igbo dialect of the eastern part of Nigeria. Fry that a bit, add in your stock water, add in your smoked fish and cover the pot and allow it to boil or cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now that you're sure that the taste of your food won't disappoint and is on point, put in all your stock and stir together. Cover the pot and allow to marinate well together for 4 to 5 minutes. Add in your water leaves and your uziza leaves. Please do not allow the consistency of the face of the soup at this stage to convince you into adding any extra water. You just have to cover the pot and allow the water leaves to steam out some water in the soup. Now that has happened, you add in your blended Delicacy leaves. Also add in a little amount of red oil, stir and cover the pot. Our food is not ready to be eaten, and by this time my family was impatient to be served. If you enjoy this process and would want to see me share a delicious recipe for another kind of Nigerian delicacy, kindly drop your comments on the comment section below, like, and also make sure you share to viewers out there. Most importantly, subscribe and put on the notification bell. Thank you for sticking by. I love you. Bye.